Unlock the potential of your system by learning how to increase video RAM graphics without any additional software. In this tutorial, we explore practical steps to optimize your computer's performance for graphics-intensive tasks. Follow along as we delve into BIOS settings and adjustment, allowing you to allocate more video RAM to enhance your graphics capabilities. Discover a straightforward method to boost video RAM without relying on external software. Watch the video and empower your system for a smoother visual experience without the need for third-party applications. To improve video graphics, you can Step 1. Update graphics driver. Ensure your graphic drivers are up to date. Step 2. Adjust graphics settings. Modify in-game or application setting for better performance. Step 3. Upgrade graphics card. Consider upgrading to a more powerful graphics card. Step 4. Optimize system settings. Adjust your computer's settings for better overall performance. Step 5. Reduce screen resolution. Lowering resolution can improve graphics performance. Step 6. Close background apps. Close unnecessary applications running in the background. Step 7. Install latest software updates. Keep your operating system and applications updated. Step 8. Check for overheating. Ensure your system is not overheating as it can affect performance. Step 9. Adjust power settings. Optimize power setting for better graphics performance. Step 10. Use game video optimization software. Utilize software to optimize settings automatically.